Since the schools shut down on Friday here in the UK, rainbows have been appearing in windows. And they are placed there by kids that are home from school that are spreading positive energy, and it's called a rainbow of hope. And it also gives us this feeling of community and that we're in this together. So I thought that was such a beautiful thing that I wanted to do this with my art kids as well here in London. So we're gonna be doing that this week, and I'm also gonna paint the window here in my art studio, and that is what I'm gonna share with you guys here now. So keep watching. Because poster paint is water-based, it comes off with warm water and a little bit of soap. I decided to print out the text and then draw clouds around it and cut it out to add them to the rainbow. Alright, my rainbow is ready here in the window and it's drying. So now let's use up the leftover paint. I quite like this part after doing a project when you got a bunch of leftover paint but you have no kind of pressure at all onto how it turns out. So this part I just kind of play with the colors and make shapes, and usually flowers and plants and leaves or the sea or animals or I don't know, whatever I feel like painting in that moment. And here I'm just doodling away and painting leaves, and later on I'll cut them out and stick them to my artist book. It doesn't show in this video, but I have a big vase of roses here on the desk as I was painting, so I decided to paint some flowers and roses as well. I had quite a lot of red and purple and blue shades, so I wanted to use it up. I don't like wasting paint. I have quite a few of these artist books where I kind of I work on them simultaneously, and I just add to it whenever I have something going on, or whenever I feel like doodling or I have leftover paint. I kind of just open the book and continue to work on any of the pages. So it feels like it's like an ongoing project, and they kind of never finish. I have so many of these books, and it's so fun to watch back at them as well, and see what I've been drawing throughout the years. Thank you guys for watching all the way till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments. Stay positive, keep laughing, and wash your hands. See you in the next video.